I'm video recording it.
Here, get mom! Get mom! Come on! Come on, you little girl!
Uh-oh.
Let's go! Oh,
Wrap him up.
Hold on. Hold on.
Do the knot. Do the knot.
Come here. Come here. JT. Come here for a sec. Remember
No.
this? Remember this? Come here. Come here. Let's show mom.
Don't do it. Do it.
Let's show mom. Lay down.
Tanner, help him. It's gonna be difficult doing it.
I got you. You ready? You ready? Show mom what you can do. You ready?
Chancey, don't. Chancey, don't.
Hold on, Smithy. Let's show mom what you can do.
Don't cover his face, though.
All right. Try to get out. You're fine. Here.
Devin, move the basket. Move the basket.
There you go. You can see. Oh, shut up.
Can he get himself out of it?
Takes him a little bit. Come on! Get yourself out of it. You want help? Oh, I got you good this time. There you go. Here's your help.
What? What? What?
Do you want some more help? No? Okay.
Hi, Chance.
Come here.
No!
What's wrong?
Come get me, Chancey.
Go away! We don't want any! I'm gonna disconnect that damn doorbell.
Come on, Chancey. Can you get undone?
Get the door! Hurry up! Come on! He's trying to get the door! Hold on!
No!
Go to the garage.
He decided to sit down in front of the door.
Hey, Devin, smile for YouTube.
Freeze! Put your hands up. No. Put your hands up.
He's like, I can't.
Come on, blanket boy.
No, don't go outside.
No.
Bring
Freeze. No. Put your hands up.
Come on, let him get himself undone.
Go to Andy. Go to Andy. Go to Andy.
Ah! 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 Help! What do you
He
do?
kicked his foot on the pod.
You okay, buddy? Look what you do to him.
I'll get it.